The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our world is slowly coming to an end. NASA has discovered that sun is dying and will explode within the next 2 hours, generating a massive supernova and generating a gamma ray burst. These gamma ray bursts will vaporize everything on Earth and whatever will suck into the black hole generated by the supernova. There is nothing we can do to avoid this colossal event. There is no place to escape from this cataclysmic event. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. All residents of the United States and the rest of the world, gather together with your friends, pets, children and another stuff to make you happy and prepare of the end. The national anthem will play for the final time. May God bless to us all.
Oh, say, can you see